Green Detox Weight Loss Drink, Part 2. Benefits: Spinach. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, spinach is low in calories and helps keep you full longer. Cucumber. High in water content and low in calories, cucumbers are excellent for hydration and weight loss. Green apple. Adds natural sweetness and is rich in dietary fiber, aiding digestion. Lemon. Boosts metabolism, aids digestion, and helps detoxify the body. Ginger. Known for its anti-inflammatory properties and ability to boost metabolism. Mint. Helps with digestion and adds a refreshing taste to the drink. Subscribe and follow on other social media platforms.
Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.